Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this is going to be my highlight reel for the Axew community day. If you tuned into the live stream, thank you. I appreciate it. Apparently it aired out at some point near the end, but what else is new, right? Anyway, I managed about 28 shinies. Most of them were the after hour raids, because people kept popping them left and right, but I'm not complaining. Pretty great comm day. I've got a surprise for you guys at the end of this video, so make sure you watch it all the way through. Anyway, enjoy the montage.
Oh, look at that shiny.
You got a shiny finally?
Yeah. Number God knows what.
Well, 220.
Is everything?
Add 'em up. I'll look at them when we get down there.
Oh, damn. Oops. That just spawned here over by the gym.
Yeah, it's right there. Yeah, so it's not very good. That's one of the ones I was asking about.
Oh, I just caught it. What? Oh. That was number 231. That was 231 for one shiny.
He's lying.
Yeah.
He's lying.
231 Axew encounters.
Yeah, that wasn't a very good one. But
There we go. There's the family done. Finally. 30 minutes to complete the family.
Just to let you know, it was it's blue jump.
yeah, it was yellow.
Someone's still attacking it.
Somebody's still attacking it, so yellow's probably trying to
Find a way.
Yeah, that's Paldea.
Multiple jumps.
I'll show my chat what we're working with here. Last time I even held a booster.
Yeah.
73. Ouch.
What I don't want to see.
From Michigan?
Yeah. Do you do
He's
the
going to get a
postcard
bath this evening. Alright, somebody find an expensive one so I can see what it looks
Yeah,
like.
what are we over? 6?
Yeah.
I don't have them all. I just, some people like the
63.
postcard from out of state. I mean, I'm one of those people. Anytime he goes out of state, he lets us know.
Yeah.
Come on.
That's the only time I try to be consistent.
How to go? Well, Portuguese.
Man, somebody's trying hard to take that.
Yeah.
You're not gonna get that in 20 seconds.
Mexico, England.
Nice.
Your next one.
I'm gonna stay on the right.
I'm just grabbing from anywhere.
Someone's still attacking this gym.
Alright, my family's complete.
Nice.
I need one more on this account.
Damn it, what's the seagull's name?
Huh?
What's the seagull's name?
Wingull?
Wingull, yeah.
Gotten 2 shinies though in each of the last 2 days.
Oh, the Kuno hatched.
Let's do this pack.
Energy,
Yeah,
Dolliv,
someone's
Quaxley, Onyard,
You guys
Penny.
already in?
No.
There's 3 people in
Yeah,
here.
there's 3 people here.
Another Miascarada.
Little
A level 6 is in
Oh, Pokeball, nice. That's playable.
and that one.
Come on.
That's
Oh, okay.
You get
I don't know what it
something?
is.
Listen or I help you. Come on.
Oh, I just saw a glimpse of it. You got something good.
Ready?
Bring it. Nice.
Is it a double? Nope. Sweet. King Gambit.
It's
like an $8 card.
8.
Yeah, I'm hopping in now.
Better not bring sleeves.
You have 40 seconds.
That's plenty of time.
40
There we go.
seconds.
30 seconds.
10.
Incoming.
That's a
Come in.
beautiful card. Oh, you brought sleeves. Good.
I don't have too many. I have a couple.
I have a whole pack of Arceus ones from that ETB, but like I said, they're in my car.
Omega Evolved my Aggron, I suppose.
That's a beautiful card. Grab this front one.
What's that song say? To the
Our
left, to
can
the
be
left.
shiny. Shall our can be shiny?
Yeah. Yeah, this can be shiny.
So if that's
These are only in person though. Right?
Yeah. And only on the weekends. You can't do Kunos on the weekdays for some reason. Or Shadow T5s, period.
It's freaking turds in Michigan. Me, I'm on my, like, I used the campfire thing. I was like, I'm on my way up. They're like, okay, we're just waiting on a couple people.
does it
I
anyways.
couldn't have been gone. I mean, it couldn't have took me more than like 6 minutes to walk up there, and they had already done it.
Jeez.
I was like, you bastards, like, you couldn't wait.
I feel bad for that lower 6. There is a lower 6 in there.
Oh, what?
A lower 6.
I mean, good XP for them. It's triple XP right now.
Then, if they get the shiny.
Let me get this off. Come on. Nice.
Oh, the Team Rocket banners.
I
Team
got out
Rocket
of work and
dudes.
figured before I went home I'd do a loop, and then I got a little sidetracked.
He's like, I might as well try for the shiny Shadow Articuno while I'm at it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can only do these on weekends. And tomorrow with that Lake Spirit makeup thing, these become less common.
With the what?
They're boosting all of the Lake Trio tomorrow
Oh,
because of
that's
the
why he
issues
was
with the
there.
shiny rates.
Alright.
Oh, did we just increase level? Oh, no, not quite.
But they're...
Okay.
Hey, come on. Shiny. Nope.
Shiny for me?
It's my turn. It won't happen, but
Mine's not.
Wow, I haven't seen this many awards at the end in a long time. Usually it's like 3 people.
Really? I didn't catch.
nope.
No.
What's a good one?
1640 something, I think.
Yeah, then 1620 isn't
So
terrible.
1673 is good then?
1698.
Oh. I don't know. Oh yeah, I'm 16...
Well, I just need one more starter final evolution to have the
Which
full
starter?
set.
Which one do you need?
The grass one, the cat.
Okay.
Did you get another thing?
I think so.
All right, let's see it. Oh, that one. That's one of the the best cards in the set. Hey, there's number 4. Why did I just throw a nanab on that?
You mean number 3?
No, this is 4 for me.
3. You need to calm down. Dog.
You know I have no idea.
Yeah.
Well, you know.
Yeah.
At 238.
Oh, nice.
Arvin.
Nice.
I almost bought that card the other day.
We'll see. You save money. Well, Kate, I don't need yours.
What do we got? It. Oh,
Ooh.
nice. Come on. I think that's number 5 now.
John said he lost count.
Probably not even counting.
Come on.
Quiet Clancy over there.
235.
Quincy. Quiet Quincy.
235.
Good. Oh, wow. 12, 12, 12.
The one that just spawned.
Yeah.
That, are you?
Hey guys, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know how your comm day went down in the comments. Also, if you're doing any TCG stuff, and if you pulled anything good from that, let me know. With that all being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Okay guys, welcome to Post Community Day. I am not going to use that, because I only have one of these. Come day ended 17 minutes ago. I got about 19 some shinies. Figured I'd pop this while I'm still out. Did not expect to see one of these. Terrible. It's gone. That's why you don't rush your throws, ladies and gents. Yep, there it goes. Alright.